Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to give you a review of robotic vacuum cleaner from iLife version V80. So you can see the box. This I have bought it during the Diwali sale from Flipkart. I will show you what it consists of. It consists of one main robo, which is this. I will show you its two main attachments. This attachment is for the cleaning brooming. The other attachment is for mopping. You can see the water sign. Close to 250 to 300 ml of water you have to pour in this attachment. For 1000 square feet you will have to fill it twice. It's pretty easy to install. It comes with a charging dock, which is this. The robo automatically detects its charging dock and docks itself when the battery is low. Or it comes with few attachments. I will unbox it and I will show you the attachments. So these are the two brushes which are to be fixed to the robo, and there are extra pair of HEPA filters along with an extra pair of cleaning cloth. It also comes with a remote as well as one cleaning brush. This is very essential for cleaning the bristles of the two brushes. So in totality there comes 4 brushes, 2 you have to install and 2 are spare. There is also a booklet which gives you the detail of the robo. This is the user manual for the V80 robo. So I will show you how to install this robo. It's pretty easy, a 6-year-old also can install, but even though I will show you how to install it. So this is the robo. I'm just turning it around. If you see, there are sensors. These are sensors here, and this is the charging points. These are wheels. If you can see, it can also go up and down. It can detect if you have small carpet on the floor, it will mount on that. So these two are the points where you have to install these two brushes. It clearly tells which one is the right and which one is the left. Even the color shading specified on the brushes will clearly indicate where you have to fix it. I'm just fixing the wheels, the brushes. Just press it and it's installed. It automatically gets adjusted to the socket. Now this is for brooming. You can see there is a filter. I have been using it for 1 month, so it is a bit unclean, but however once you receive the machine it will be clean. So this is a sponge, and you can see this is another filter. So on the screen there are 5 buttons. I will tell you what exactly are the 5 buttons. So this is a classic mode. This is a stop play button. This is a timer button, and these 2 buttons are up and down buttons which are used to set the timers. So this is the remote which comes with the robo. Now I will tell you what exactly is the function of each key. So if you see, this is the same button which is also there on the main body of the robo. This is the same button which is there in the center of the remote. So if you see, if I press this, it has started. I am switching it off again and again starting from pressing this button. So this is the pause and play button. So these 4 are direction buttons which are on the surrounding of the pause and play button. I will tell you how exactly these direction button works. These direction buttons will not work when it is in the cleaning mode. So this I am starting. Now the robo has started in the classic mode. I am pausing it and using the direction button. So it is going forward. I pressed it, left it, it went a bit ahead. Now I am pressing the backward button. I am pressing this button. It is moving the other way around, and then I have to again move the forward button so that it comes back. If I am moving on the right direction, it will now again forward. So this is the path mode, the first button out of these 6 buttons. So basically this path mode, the robo automatically calculates its path and it calculates the missing area during the cleaning process and it cleans more efficiently. So this is the path mode. The other mode, the next button to the path mode is the spot mode. As the name suggests and the symbol suggests, it basically collects all the dust around one spot. So you can choose a spot, place the machine there, and it will collect all the particles, dust particles and everything near that spot within specific range. So this is the spot mode. The next mode is the edge mode, the button next to the spot mode. This is the last button. So under this edge mode, as the name speaks, basically it covers all the edges of the room. Once you press this button, it will go in one direction and start cleaning the edges of the room. Post that, there is a max mode. So if you see this button, this is the max mode button. The suction of the robo increases with this button. Now this is a home button which will basically direct the remote the robot to go to its charging dock. This button. Now I will show you how it works. I'm just starting it. As you can see, there are some dust particles on the floor. Let's see if the robo collects it efficiently or not. I'm just starting the robo. So the robo has collected all the dust and now I have started it on the path mode. As you can see, it automatically detected the obstacle and moved itself towards the edges. Now we are showing you the spin mode, how it works. So I'm just starting the spin mode. So you can see it is just moving away from its center in a circular direction. Now I am pressing the home button. Let's see whether it docks itself to the charging point. The speed automatically reduces. it adjusts itself so that it will go directly to the charging dock. Now it has started to recharge by itself. Just to summarize the pros and cons of the iLife robot version V80, I'll start with the pros. Efficient removal of microdust from the house. The edge mode is too good. Also, it detects the obstacles and manages its way around. The sensors are very efficient. It automatically docks itself to the charging station, so no hassle of picking up the robo and docking it at the station. There are different modes for different users. The best part is you can adjust the time slot as per your convenience. At that point of time, it will start and clean itself, so that there is no hassle of you coming and starting it, and when you are present in the house, then start the cleaning mode. So if you are going out of the house, say at 9 o'clock, you can set the timer at 10 o'clock. It will automatically start the cleaning at 10 o'clock in the morning, and it will dock itself once the cleaning is done to the charging station. There are few cons. I will also tell you the cons of this machine. The mopping is light mode only, so sticky things on the floor can't be expected to be removed from the floor. Also, very large or a bit heavy object will work only on high section mode. So if you have to increase the suction power to the max, then only it will pick up bit heavy objects or a big size objects. Overall, on a rating scale from 1 to 5, I will give a rating of 4 for iLife V80. It's a good product. I think considering the overall COVID situation, the lockdown, and reduction of people in the reduction and presence of people in the house, I think it's a good product to have. Thank you.